What's up guys, Neon here, of course, again. Sorry for the brief hiatus in video. So a funny thing happened. Basically the last video we seen, I'd just beaten the gym leader of Rustboro City, which is where I am now. Okay, well, my dumbass forgot to save afterwards. So I had to redo all that and get back to where I left off. So I just beat the gym leader. And I made a few Pokemon changes actually. I went ahead and leveled up a little bit and did a little bit of leveling on my own off camera. I have a level 9 Abra, level 13 Skitty, and Trico's up to level 19. So just so you guys know, I'm sorry I didn't show you all that, but I sort of figured no one wanted to watch me just level Pokemon up. It's just one of them things you don't really put in the video. But if you're mad at me, that's okay. I still love you guys. But yeah, so now we are going to go this way and progress a little bit further through the game. Ah, whip that gym's ass. I always go right here. I always think this is where I'm supposed to be going, and it's like, oh, duh, Ezra. Dead fucking end. But anyway, haha, look at this old tubby. Tub. Anyway. Alright, let's go. I bumped into this guy again. He said, oh no, T-Maka stole my Devon goods. I'm like, okay, well, that sucks, bro. Tough shit. I'm going this way. Oh wow, another Skitty. That's how I ended up getting my Skitty, guys, in case y'all wondered. An Abra was a pain in the ass to catch. And I'm currently swapping out Pokemon so that I can level him up at the same time I'm leveling up my Skitty. So, but basically, I did better this time around than I did had I had saved, I guess. So it all worked out in the end, but yeah, Abra was a pain in the ass to catch. So I hope as he levels up, he'll get an attack that will enable him to actually be useful in battle. That'd be nice. Because right now he's just like a Pokemon paperweight, really. And as far as cut goes, I've not yet gotten cut. I don't know when I get cut, but I've not gotten it yet. So I can't chop down any trees. Sort of sucks, but hey, whatever. See, all he has right now is teleport, which flees the battle, which I really don't want to do. But I'll show you guys anyway. Whoosh. Another cool thing he can do is I can actually use that teleport ability outside of battle, and it will take me back to the Rustboro Pokemon Center, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty nifty. Okay, you lost your bird. That fucking sucks, old guy. Alright, so... Dude, like, what's your problem? I'm just trying to get through here with my Pokemon and shit. Whismur is one of my least favorite Pokemon because it's just a pink blob. It's not even cute like Jigglypuff. Like, at least Jigglypuff was a cute pink blob. This is just a not so cute pink blob. It's like an anime character gone wrong. And he's pounding my ass, of course he is. So I'm gonna knock some sense into this Whismur. Does anyone know if Abra can actually maintain a decent combat rating at all? Like, is he any good for combat? If anyone knows, or if they know whether or not I'm just like wasting my time, if he's just not gonna learn anything, tell me, please. Because I would hate to sit here and level him up. It's probably painful to watch if he's just not gonna watch or not gonna learn anything. It's gonna be like, bleh. I'm sorry guys, tonight I cannot talk tonight. I am losing my shit. I'm a little under the weather, so if y'all hear me sniffling, I apologize. I got my nose is all stoppy and runny and It's not really all that great, but hey, I'm still wanting to do videos for you guys. I've gotten a lot of comments. Well, not a lot, but I mean enough to make me want to keep going. After only like posting 4 or 5 videos, it's a huge morale boost. Huge. Like, it means the world to me, guys. Thank you so much to everyone who commented it and liked and subscribed. Like, that means so much to me that you guys are out there doing that. Oh, he's level 10 now. Still no attacks. None that I can actually use. I want to find a Pokeball. Really? That's it? A Pokeball? Alright, well, that's practically worthless. Why are you trying to steal people's Pokemon, yo? That's not cool now, is it? What a jerk. Alright, so I'm going to take a pretty nasty hit right here. Okay, actually, I'm fixing to take a bad hit. Alright, let's tackle him. Let's just pound that ass. Oh, a critical. Look at there. Just one-shotted that ass. Alright, that's cool. Nabber gets good XP. Skitty gets pretty good XP out of it. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking. Oh, dude, I misread that as Team Aqua Cunt. Oh, it said grunt. It said grunt. It said grunt. But I totally misread that. I don't know. Am I even allowed to say that on YouTube? I apologize, people. This is definitely a mature content warning. I can see it now. It's just getting banned off YouTube. Well, I got the Devon goods. Yeah, save your bird, dude. Reminds me of that scene in Iron Man where he's like, I want the bird. He's like, look, I got you the bird. He's like, wrong bird. Oh my god. I love Mickey. I forget his name. I want to say Mickey Raleigh, but that's not it. Mickey Rourke. I love Mickey Rourke, dude. He's such a badass. Iron Man 2, yo. That's that old school. Oh my goodness. So I came in here just to save that dude's bird. Well, I feel like a tool. So now I'm going all the way back. Jeez. Maybe he'll give me the HM for cut. I know y'all probably don't want to watch me switch Pokemon every time, but hey, I'm trying my best here, guys. I really want Aber to level up because I like dark Pokemon. I know he's a psychic type, but that's close enough for me. Ghost, dark, psychic, practically the same thing in my mind. I know they're not. I know they're not, but in my mind, I like all three. I usually try and get dark and ice, team them up, and just pound ass, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that this particular playthrough. Unless I get one of the awesome, like, Master Balls. I forget, or not Master Balls, but, like, the best ball you can get, the one that captures them first time, every time. If I can get a hold of one of those, I might try and get Articuno, but, again, I don't know that. Usually, if I don't get Articuno, I try and get that Dratini. Level 14. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, always. But yeah, any comments or tips or advice that you guys have, please leave it in the comments, because I'm not all that great at Pokemon whatsoever. I don't think I've ever sit down and played one of these games through its entirety. I haven't. That's part of the reason I really wanted to do this. Skitty is just getting it right now. He is just a badass. I've been really careful not to name my Pokemon anything, because when they evolve, I want them to have their evolved names. Trico, poor Trico. I didn't even name him back right. His name's missing a C now. I just shorted him one whole C. Ah, so many Pokemon battles. You know what? I probably could have just teleported back to Rustboro, but oh well. Practically here now. Yeah, get wrecked, Talo. Talo. I don't know how to say that. Get wrecked level 6. Yeah. I suck at Pokemon. Alright. Let's give you your stuff back. A great ball. That's what I caught my Abra with. Sorry for the noise, guys. My leg itches. Oh, it was itching bad. Alright, there we go. Alright, so he's getting me to deliver this to a shipyard in Slateport. Oh, I get to talk to the president. Sweet. I did not have sexual relations with that woman. Mr. Stone. Ha, more like Mr. Stoner. Just got word about me. You saved our staff not once but twice. It's a favor. Slateport Shipyard, Duford. Letter to Stephen in Duford. Okay, I'll deliver your letter, I guess. Do I have a choice, Mr. President? Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna drip a little bit of juice on my wick here. Do I have any vapors out there? If I've got any vapors, let me know in the comments. I want to know y'all's build, y'all's mod. Like, I want to know everything about your vape setup. I think it would be really cool. Right now, personally, I'm running a Kanger K-Box 200 watt device, and it's got a double vision RDA on it with 2 coils that I built. It's only the second coils I've ever built because I just swapped over to RDA, but I think they're, I'm not exactly sure how many millimeters they are. I think they're 4 millimeter. I think they're 4 millimeter in diameter, 8 wrap coils. And I think I used, I want to say 22 gauge Kanthal. I could be wrong. I might have used 20. But anyway, yeah, I'm rocking out with the vape right now. Love it. I would highly recommend the Double Vision RDA. This K-Box 200 is reading my 2 coils at a 0.28 on the ohms. I think when I ohmed it out on my ohm meter, it ended up ohming out at 0.34 or 0.45, something like that, somewhere between there. Just getting some vapor clouds going. Alright, we're back. Here we go. Mr. Stoner, now you should know that I am a great president, okay? What's a Pokenav? Has a map of the Hoenn region. So does Emerald have Team Aqua and Sapphire has Team Magma, or is it Ruby? Does Ruby have Team Magma? I don't know the difference between the three. I just know they're all three basically the same game. Or I could be wrong. Someone's gonna slay me in the comments for that. I just know it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a Poké noob. But when I played them, I thought they were pretty similar. Is there anything in this? It's empty. Oh, they can't all be empty, now can they? What about this? It's empty. Okay, maybe they are all empty. Any more? Are these little red ones? Oh, those are seeds. Oh, then I don't know. Fuck them little trash can things. No, don't do that. Come on. Here I go walking in and out of doors again. Alright, where the fuck am I? Pokemon, and it turned out great. Match call, what is that? Why am I calling people? Alright, I gave your stupid president a call. That was awkward. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Wait, that's been there the whole time? How come I've never been able to get in there? Okay, whatever. That doesn't make much sense. So, where the fuck am I going now? I need to get to Slateport. That's abandoned turf. Little Root, Old Dale, Petalburg, Duford. Right here's Slateport. So, I can't get through there. So I'm guessing what I need to do is go to the right here. Go past abandoned turf. Oh no, there's a river there too. Alright. So I don't quite know how I'm doing this unless I'm going straight up. Over the mountain. Past Fallabor, is that Philarbor? Philabor? Philarbor? I don't know how the fuck to say that. Anyway. Philarbor. If I go past there, but how do I get there? Okay. So there's definitely no getting past this. So mark that off. Not in Petalburg. I'm in Rustboro right here. I've not been to Vandenturf. I started out in Little Root, didn't I? In Old Dale. Why are they blue? Alright. Whatever. We'll figure it out. So going towards the right here. Maybe those rocks are gone now. Are the rocks gone? Okay, but I don't know what the fuck to do. Ah, guys, help me. Alright, so we gotta find another way. That's cool. Whatever. We'll figure it out. I still don't know where I'm supposed to be getting this cut HM at either, which is sort of weird. I thought I was supposed to get it from the gym leader, and I didn't. So, this is why I never finish Pokemon games, because I get confused, and I don't know where to go. I'm not going to be like other YouTubers, guys. I'm going to straight up get lost and confused, and probably cuss, and slam shit, and go to bed. But, anyway. I don't really know what to do. We will figure it out, though. I have faith. I have faith. I have faith in the Pokénab. We just got it. It must be what I need to use. I'll just move them rocks right out of the way with a pucky nav. Hey, did you learn something that I can actually fucking use? No, of course not. Almost level 13 and don't know shit that I can use. What's my time at on my video? I'm curious. I'm right at 20:30. That's not too bad. I could probably squeeze in another 10 minutes. If y'all are willing to sit through another 10 minutes. I meant to ask you guys too, who's curious for a bedroom walkthrough? I don't know why anybody would want to see my bedroom, but I figured I could do it in a video if y'all want me to do it. But it's totally up to you guys. If y'all want me to reveal my bedroom and show y'all a few of my cooler, more interesting pieces, just leave a comment and I will definitely get around to it, not a problem. We've got some really cool blacklight stuff going on right now, so definitely hit me up on that one. I got some hot glue sticks. I don't know why. I got a hot glue gun and some mini hot glue sticks. And I get them home. I pick up the package to put it away. And as it turns out, these glue sticks, they glow a bright blue in the black light. So they're part of my decorations right now. I'm not using them in a glue gun anymore. I'm just, laying them around. They're just bright blue sticks. They're pretty cool though. I like them. Sorry, excuse me. I feel like I need to go this way, to be honest, but I can't. It looks like it can be cut down. Yeah, I get that. Who the fuck do I get cut from? I may have to go back, guys, and just backtrack and talk to everybody. I know y'all don't want to see me do that, so I may do that off screen until I find either the cut HM or I figure out how the fuck to get to where I need to go. So we can't go here, can't go up from there, that's impossible. I can't go up from here. This is impossible. Wait. I think I know what I need to do. I think I just figured it out, guys. If this is actually what I need to do, I will be surprised, but I think I figured it out. Let's go ahead and heal up. On my way up to this place, to Rustboro, I passed a ship, and I think I need to ask the captain if he'll take me to Slateport. Or Duford. I think I need to ask him if I can go to Duford. So, let's go there and talk to the ship captain. Let's do that. Like, holy shit, Ezra has an idea. Wait, this guy. Brendan. I knew it was you, Brendan. Damn it, Brendan. You're always causing me fucking trouble. Let's just make Brendan a mod. Wait, I can call Brendan now? Sweet. Okay, yeah, he's giving me hints. That's where I need to go. Yeah, I guess. Let's do this then. How many Pokemon do you have? 2. Let's get a low tab. It's only level 13. That's not too bad. Fixing to take a hit for the team here. I don't know how bad that's going to hurt Skitty. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm still doing good. So let's go ahead and fight. Just tackle that ass. What's nature power? Turn into Swift. Bitch. I want nature power. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 102, that's sweet. Torchic. No, because my grass type will not fare too well against Torchic. And he's probably even higher level. Yeah, level 15. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I don't like that. Oh, it hit me twice. Wow, bro. I ain't got no choice now. They get wrecked, scrub. Oh my god. I got 900 pounds. Alright, so that sort of sucked. Okay, so he's a great sailor. Cool. So that's how I'm getting to Dewford. Gotcha. Well, let's go heal up all my Pokemon, seeing as he just wrecked me. Skitty! I'm sorry, Skitty. I'll pet you. I'll give you some catnip. How about that? I should have named my Skitty Brandon or Roxy. Like a beast. If you guys don't understand a lot of the references that I've put on here, like Brandon, Roxy, Brendan, you gotta check out twitch.tv/Mish. Okay. Mish has got one of the best streams I've ever witnessed, and I hang out there all the time. That's pretty much where all my references come from. So if you come hang out with us sometime, you'll understand. But get ready for a barrel of laughs. That's all I got to say. Great fucking screamer. Screamer? Streamer. Misha's a screamer confirmed. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Alright, so this I think is where I'm supposed to be. I think the first time you come by here, he's not in his place. Oh yeah. So you actually gotta go save this little thing. Yeah, letter bound for a busy life in this lead. Right man, yes. Alright, so we're gonna jump on your boat. We're gonna go to Dewford. Sweet. I figured it out, guys. I told you I had faith. Wait, how come my dad is calling me? Oh, now you want to call me dad. How long has it been? 12 years? 15? Now you're calling me? What a dick. Dad Norman. Is my last name Norman? I about said Mormon. Wow. No caffeine for me. Alright. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is go into the Pokemon Center. Why? Because if I use my teleport ability with Abra, it'll go back to the last healing place, right? So let's go ahead and set that up right here, right now. I don't want to forget, and I'm probably fixing to save right after I get out of here as well. That way I don't forget anything this time, because I forgot to save last time, and oh my goodness, I could have kicked my own ass like 14 times. That was ridiculous. So let's go ahead and save. Go ahead and overwrite that. Bloop. Sweet. Alright. Cool beans, cool beans. So now, don't make it 4 steps without getting into a battle. My rod. Hey, dude. Listen, I'm like a 15-year-old girl. You need to back the fuck off, okay? I don't want to see your rod. What a fucking perv, dude. That is so suggestive. Oh my goodness. And it's tentacle. Oh my goodness. First rods, now tentacle porn. Fucking Japanese games, dude. Fucking Japanese games. I need to vape. Oh, really? Now I'm poisoned. Great. because that's what I wanted. Dude, what is going on? I'm getting wrecked, man. Don't hit myself. Fuck. Dude, I'm getting wrecked right now. No! Oh. I'm getting so wrecked. Wow. Wow, that's all I got to say is wow. Okay. So, no more of that crap. Just get wrecked, Tentacle. Oh, thank God. Get wrecked. Please learn something. Why? Why? Abra, what are you doing, man? Alright, so the dude with the big rod sort of is a dick. Noted. So let's go ahead and rest Skitty back up. Man, Abra's gonna catch up with Skitty. I was hoping that Skitty would catch up with Trico and surpass Trico, and then she could be like, well, he could be my main Pokemon. My main Pokemon. I know all this. No, I accidentally clicked you. Leave me alone. Okay, so that fucking sucked, guys. Here's their gym. That's not exactly extravagant, but okay. And nothing over there. There's no Pokemon shop. The Pokemon shop, like upstairs. Tiala? Oh, no, no, no. No. Never mind. I was looking for somewhere to buy Pokeballs. Leave me alone. I just wanted some balls. And not from that rod guy. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on. I'm sorry if y'all are hearing like tons of clicky noises. That's just me trying to spam through this chat. I'm gonna hold this button down. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah. Okay. No. Never mind. I will go right the fuck back down here. Is there anything in this plant? Move! You fucker! I just want to check the plant in these books. Okay, yeah, so there's nothing there. Okay. I hate this game. I love it and I hate it. Alright. So let's hope another tentacle doesn't fucking wreck me. So I'm assuming this is going to be the water gym. I could be wrong, but I mean it's on an island. If it's like a ghost gym, I'd be pretty surprised. Oh wow, really a Magikarp? What are you gonna do? Splash on me? Man, Abra is level 12. Skitty's only level 15. Nothing happened. So hopefully I can level Abra. Man, I hope he gets an attack that does something. If it was just like Nightshade or something, telekinesis, just something that does something else than teleport away from the battle. That helps me none, except for the out of battle ability. But that's beside the point. I need something that's good in battles. I can't even get all that much XP for Magikarps. And here comes Tentacle. It's not like level 11 this time though, it's only level 7, so. Thank God, I hate that fucking supersonic bullshit. Makes me want a Tentacle though. I don't even usually play with water Pokemon, but that shit is like OP, dude. Might as well not. We'll just wreck this Magikarp and get it over with. Skitty's moving on up in the world. Look at him, he's just... Okay, does anybody know or can tell me, like, what the fuck the purpose of a Magikarp is? Or here's one. Has anyone ever thought about if people eat Pokemon? I mean, think about it. Have you ever seen a regular bird in the world of Pokemon? No. There's got to be people who eat Pokemon. What would be your favorite Pokemon to eat? Me, I think I'd grill me up a Magikarp. That's just me, though. I would have Magikarp sushi all day. Okay, so I don't remember the Pokénav thing from when I played this game before. Is that weird? Has that always been an emerald like that? Or is that something new? So I need Dewford's gym badge. Ooh, Makuhita. That's a fighting type, isn't it? It's pretty powerful too. So we're going to swap over and try and get Abra to level a little bit. Be nice if I could teach Abra a move like Cut or something like that. Oh, that was pretty effective. Now you tried to use Focus Energy twice. What a noob. Yeah, that's some good XP. There we go. Yeah. Double slap. Yes, please. Okay, I'm never going to use Growl. Sorry. I don't like status element things. Unless it's sleep, paralysis, or something like that. Sleep, paralysis, confusion. Those are all pretty good. Burn. But not no fucking stupid shit like lower attack and escape rope. Okay. Okay. Perhaps we should not be here yet. Really? Oh, this one's level 10. Ooh. Fancy. Alright. Let's test out this new ability we have, shall we? Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Ow. That hurt. Okay. Whoa, shit. Only 10 PP. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Let's try it again. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wow. How did he ended up getting hit 3 times? Dude, that is OP. I love it. How can you call something double slap and then hit him 3 times? Alright, so with all that being said, it seems like I'm not going to get anywhere until I beat this gym leader. So, let's run in here. Where am I at on my video length? Oh, dude, I'm at 40 minutes, guys. I gotta end the video real soon. But thank you all so much for watching. And as always, it helps tremendously. Just, I can't even express to you guys how much it means to me. It means the world. If y'all just leave a like, a comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. Definitely go check out the Twitch streamers that I've mentioned. And as always, guys, I hope y'all dream in neon. And until next time, thank you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.